1% of startups get funded. We're trying to be that 1%. We're still making leaps and bounds with our product. We have a new update coming out that's really exciting. We're 2 steps away from being able to monetize. Once we get the centralized library, our next step will be introducing the App Store. And then once we get the App Store there, we can start introducing third-party content. It's kind of cool to actually have a target now. This is who we're going after. This is their client list. We're literally going to go after each one of them after we get our first client. We have a superior product.
It's been a little slow and it's a new challenge, just trying to figure it all out, but got it figured out, got everything built, and now it's just we're doing QA, and we'll hopefully have that released today, have the new one out there. Bring it on, because all we're going to do is continue to get bigger and bigger, so it's just like we're ready to get investors, that way we can go ahead and grow even faster.
This week it was all about validation and connections. We ran a few Facebook campaigns, and one in particular got a lot of a good response, aligning with our new value prop. So we will be running more campaigns this week, and getting a strong validation is just a basic thing.
With the new prototype, we changed the placement of the sensors. We've been experimenting with that part right now. We gave it to a local prototyping shop, and they are helping building that initial prototype.
We got our first meeting with a school that wants to do a varsity esports team, which is awesome for us, because if we work with them, that means we have one of 4 schools in all of the United States that do that. So we're really excited about that, because it gives us the opportunity to kind of switch gears from what we've been doing on the open side of things all summer to really focus on what we want. And one of the things in our way was just colleges weren't necessarily at that point yet. So now that we have some, we get to build what our vision is, rather than spending a lot of time educating people on why they would need it in the first place.
We commissioned an animated video to really explain the service to people. It simplifies the entire explanation. The idea is that someone's grandparents should watch the video and actually understand the service and be able to see, oh, this is what I have to do, and this will be the result. This is how I can save money. This is how I can avoid losing money to some hacker.
Bitcoin is a secure payment technology that allows users to send money without disclosing their personal information. Choose BitReady. Choose peace of mind.
One of the biggest things that I've been working on through the past week is the messaging system that talks between servers. So we don't house everything on one server. We have a couple different servers on Amazon, and so really making sure that they can all talk to each other, that no message can be intercepted. We have to encrypt everything.
Right now, we're actually at the very last stage of development. We pretty much have everything in line, everything works. I have to go over like 1 or 2 things. I've managed to process payments with fake transactions and prove all of them and run everything through security, and everything works. We're just waiting for literally 1 email from a partner to get APIs from them. The thing you'll learn is that you really can't wait on anything, because if you wait, nothing's going to actually work out.
The best thing that happened this week was that we did our first commercial solar inspection, and we got to fly the drone over a commercial building, look at the panels that were already installed there, and then send the solar company a report with the entire layout of the roof. We've been very successful with mentors referring us to people who then refer us to other people, and that's how we've gotten most of our demos. So that's been definitely the best way to go about things.
So this week's been very exciting, lots of awesome developments. Got to showcase the technology in front of a lot of mentors. They were very excited, opened up a lot of opportunities for us. I've also been working very closely with some of our technical mentors and have developed a UI that will fit their needs and also our customers' needs. So looking at iterating on that and improving it